I'm Omar Itum, Managing Director and Head of International Investor Relations and Business Development at Arca. Imagine if, in 10 years, the Gulf Cooperation Council, or the GCC, created a monetary union backed by a common digital currency. The GCC, a political and economic alliance of 6 Middle Eastern countries, the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, Kuwait, the United Arab Emirates, Qatar, Bahrain, and Oman, was established nearly 40 years ago to achieve cultural unity. The coalition is constituted of some of the wealthiest countries globally, together providing almost 33% of the world's oil supply. However, due to collapses and volatility in oil prices, they have taken a proactive approach to diversify their growing economies away from a reliance on petrochemical industries and toward emerging technologies. The primary drivers of this technology adoption are the workforce's generational shift, an increase in women entering the labor pool, and a growing ultra-wealthy population, with the expectation for products that cater to each of these demographics. Specifically, Saudi Arabia, the largest GCC country, has celebrated socioeconomic reforms and progress toward Vision 2030, a series of strategic objectives to achieve a more diverse and sustainable economy. While the UAE is expected to see 60% growth in the number of ultra-high net worth individuals between 2019 and 2030, 60 to 65% of the population is either unbanked or barely banked. Implementing a government-backed virtual currency issued on a blockchain would create greater financial inclusion. Today, each of the 6 GCC nation-states has its own currency pegged to the US dollar at varying rates. All have been under considerable pressure in recent years. Creating a monetary union to issue a mutual digital currency would help stabilize, sustain, and energize the regional and global economy, as the GCC is home to some of the largest crude oil and natural gas reserves in the world. In addition, a virtual currency would bolster accessibility and monetary freedoms that would stimulate market efficiency, awareness, and growth. While diplomatic disputes have been the cause of a lack of a shared GCC currency to date, blockchain provides transparency and accountability in economic policymaking and would align incentives toward a common goal. The GCC's shared mission to integrate advanced technologies into their societies and to create wealth for their populations can be the driving impetus for cooperation and creating a monetary union driven by a digital currency. The question becomes then, what will the GCC's digital currency be pegged to?